special.
Hi.
Welcome back.
So today we wanted to talk a little bit about denim. There are so many things about denim that we could address. Today we're just going to talk about taking denim from day to night. So we both have day looks right now. I am wearing my mom uniform. This is the white shirt that I love. We all know this. And I'm wearing it with skinny jeans.
Cute.
I like them. I like just how simple and easy it is. I've thrown them on with tennis shoes because I'm on my feet a lot during the day. And so I like the support I get from a tennis shoe. And, you know, I can't help the fact that they're kind of trendy right now. So,
oh, fun.
You know, tennis shoes are fun.
Yeah. My
white shirt, rolled up my sleeves.
You're getting stuff done today.
Getting stuff done today. All right, so you tell them about your day outfit and I'll go change.
Oh, nice. All right, so what we have here is a pair of jeans, skinnies, because I'm really into those right now. And I lately have been getting jeans that has some extra stuff all over them. So I have like a pair that have like the pearls on them, or a pair with some patches. But for day to night look, I went with a more subtle sort of print pattern texture on my jeans. And then I paired it with an Oxford shirt that, I don't know, it's fun to play with blues when I wear denim. So I feel like that's something that I always end up doing. And then because I'm also a mom, I love rolling up my sleeves. I think on almost every long sleeve shirt, I end up rolling up my sleeves because I know that I can get more done when my sleeves are rolled up. And then finally, I still don't even know why, but I do the half tuck. And I pull it out just a little bit. And again, yeah, I don't know why, but it makes me feel so good to be able to just tuck in my shirt. I love looking in the mirror and seeing like these lines for some reason. So, and then finally I added just some slides because those are easy for me to get in and out of, to be able to run around town in slides and then come home and kick off my shoes and be ready to hang out with my family. So yeah, and then it looks, ooh, la la, come over here, lady.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Yeah, so this is me getting ready to go out.
Tell them about this look.
All right, she's gonna go switch it up, and I'm gonna tell you what I did. So I usually throw on a tee under my shirt, so I actually already had this tee on. And I put on a necklace with some sparkle. I added, you know, a little more night look earring. It's got some sparkle. But I think the most important thing that I put together with this look was adding heels in my boots. It just kind of takes denim to the next level, right? When we throw some heels on with it. And the other thing I love is using a blazer with denim, because I like this is an oversized blazer. It's my son's blazer, actually, although he won't wear it now that I wear it all the time. I love the tailored lines with the denim. It's kind of a juxtaposition of, you know, the yin yang. Anytime you can kind of get those opposing textures or looks, they work well together. And Cecily's already ready. What did you do for, oh, awesome. I love it.
So I added, switched the Oxford for a white shirt and added some layered jewelry because I think a little bit of jewelry just really ups an outfit. And then obviously added some heels because those will totally ramp up an outfit.
I think heels with denim is always just a great way to go for.
And then because I'm going out super fancy, not, but kind of, I added just the sweater with this fun little fur lapel. And so I think that just kind of makes it look awesome.
Yeah, and I think, you know, you could have switched it up and gone with like a really fun strappy pop of color, but I love the way you did texture in the stripe. Yeah. It kind of gave you something to play with. It's really fun.
Yeah,
I love it. Love it, love it.
So those are our day to night looks.
Yep. Easy. We know everybody's got denim. It's a staple in all of our wardrobes, let's be honest.
Oh yeah.
So play with it.
Let us know how you style denim.
Yeah, and let us know what questions you have about denim so that we have some ideas for future videos.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.